My name is Paul Kim. I'm a neurosurgeon from Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been practicing with Carolina Neurosurgery and Spine Associates for 17 years going. The evolution of minimally invasive surgery has really contributed to my practice. It has allowed us to be able to take care of patients that traditionally have undergone much larger operations. And now with the technology, with innovation, with techniques and a lot of collaborative networking and discussions with colleagues, we're able to perform smaller procedures, accomplish the same goals of decompression, fusion, and deformity correction with a lot less morbidity, with improved recovery and outcomes after surgery, all of which have improved patient care.
Awesome. That's all I need. Thank you, sir.